Do you own multiple kitchen appliances that take up valuable counter space? Imagine replacing your blender, food processor, and single-serve mixer with one powerful machine. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System delivers professional performance with its massive 1500-watt motor that crushes ice to snow in seconds. This complete kitchen solution includes a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher for family-sized smoothies, an 8-cup food processor bowl that makes up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds, and two 16-ounce Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids for personalized drinks on the run. Whether you're making frozen drinks, processing vegetables, mixing dough, or creating nutrient-rich smoothies, this versatile system handles it all with 4 powerful functions. The dishwasher-safe components make cleanup effortless, while the professional-grade blades deliver consistent results every time. Stop cluttering your kitchen with multiple gadgets and streamline your meal prep today. Ready to simplify your kitchen? Find the link to grab this all-in-one powerhouse in the description and comments.